Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to switch your Samsung keyboard to Google's Gboard. Let's get started. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on the General Management option. Then scroll down a little further and select Keyboard List and Defaults. If Gboard is already listed as an option, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to install it first. To install Gboard, open the Google Play Store and search for Gboard. Once you locate it, tap Install to download the app. After the installation is complete, open Gboard and follow the on-screen instructions to enable it in your phone settings. At this point, toggle the switch to activate Gboard. A pop-up will appear. Simply tap OK to confirm. Then, at the top of the screen, tap the default keyboard option and select Gboard from the list. Now you've successfully switched to Google's keyboard. Let's test it out. Open any app that allows text input and start typing. You'll see the Gboard layout, which includes great features like emojis, GIFs, a clipboard, themes, and more customization options.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.